So did I actually get a leak from the mold? I'll show you what happened later on in the episode. This is for the drawer and the oak table that I'll be wrapping up pretty soon. I like to make them out of birch ply. It's stable, it's clean looking, and if I want to throw in a poly at the end, it'll look good with that too. They're 10 by 26. The drawer slides need a runner to be attached to, so I cut down a couple of pieces of poplar, add some pocket holes, and screw the pieces inside the table with the help of a spacer. This trim will add a nice touch to the top of the table. I want it to look simple and something that kind of mimics the legs with the cove that they have in them. After finally finding my router table fence, I added a cove bit into my table and a feather board to help lock everything down into place. I did 2 passes on this 1/4-inch piece of oak. I also added a small cove with my palm router on the bottom of the piece too. So did it leak? Not a drop. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. If you want to see how I built this mold for this epoxy board, check out my last vlog that I did. I'm actually working on 2 boards right now. Both are made out of walnut. The long one is around 40 inches with the white epoxy pigment color, and a 17-inch round one. Sanding a board with epoxy in takes a lot longer than sanding a regular board. Usually when I do my regular charcuterie boards, I go to 220 grit. But with the epoxy, I sand the entire board to 320, and then I sand just the epoxy to 600 grit, and then wet sand it to 3000 grit. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you for following along. On the next episode, I'm wrapping up this oak table I've been working on for a while now, and I'll share what I have coming up next. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.